We try to use the Irish language in as many ways as possible. We have it on our signs outside the shop, signs on the window, our labels on the counter, and when we have radio advertising, newspaper advertising, we make sure that they're all bilingual. Even on our business documents, our invoices that go to wholesale suppliers and statements and stuff like that, that has bilingual components as well. It's definitely appreciated by the customers. We get the positive comments, especially since we put up the new stickers on the window. And people sometimes try to use the Cúpla hook as well when they come in. We're very proud to be a local business, and the majority of our product is sourced locally from Irish fishermen. So it's important to be part of that local place and to use the Irish language as well to cement that.